Join me as I brave the chair and find out what really happens during a root canal. In this video, you're going to learn about the ins and outs of a real root canal, demystifying the process that many people fear. Many people avoid dental care due to misconceptions about root canals being painful or complicated, which can lead to more significant oral health issues. I mean, think about it. If you're putting off a root canal because you're scared, you might end up with an infection that could spread to other parts of your mouth. This can cause even more problems like abscesses or even tooth loss. And let's not forget, neglecting your dental health can impact your overall well-being, from self-confidence to eating and even speaking. The fear of pain is probably the biggest misconception out there. With modern dentistry and anesthesia, the procedure is much more comfortable than you might think. Another misconception is that root canals are only needed for severely decayed teeth. The truth is, they can be necessary for a variety of reasons, including cracks or injuries to the tooth. You'll explore the steps involved in a root canal, from the initial consultation and diagnosis to the cleaning and sealing of the tooth, emphasizing the importance of each stage. The process begins with your dentist taking x-rays and examining your tooth to determine if a root canal is necessary. If so, they'll use local anesthesia to numb the area around the tooth, ensuring you don't feel any pain during the procedure. The dentist will then access the pulp chamber, remove the infected or damaged pulp, and clean out the root canal. This part might sound scary, but trust me, it's crucial for getting rid of the infection. Once the canal is cleaned and shaped, it's filled with a special material called gutta percha and then sealed. The most engaging part will be when you reveal the relief many patients feel post-procedure, debunking the myth that root canals are excruciatingly painful. Most patients report feeling much better after the procedure, with the relief from pain or discomfort being almost immediate. Some might experience mild sensitivity, but this usually goes away in a few days. Many patients are surprised by how straightforward and relatively painless the experience is. The biggest concern for most is not the procedure itself, but the anxiety leading up to it. Knowing what to expect can really help ease those nerves. Summarize the key takeaways about the root canal process, reinforcing that it's a routine and often necessary procedure for dental health. A root canal is a common dental procedure that can save your tooth and alleviate pain. It's not something to be feared, but rather understood as a solution to a common problem. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts on root canals in the comments and check out your other videos on dental health for more insights. Have you had a root canal? What was your experience like? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about dental health, be sure to check out my other videos.